How to fix DAZN app sound problem. Welcome everyone. We will fix this problem easy and quick now. Let's do it. Just open the settings of your phone first. Click right now guys on your apps option and search for DAZN. Click on it like this and you're gonna find this list. Scroll it down here and click storage. Click clear cache right now and you're back. Click add for stop and click OK. You should go now to Play Store or App Store and update DAZN. Restart here your phone and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.